Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, because we should get the Ampere app from here. And here in the search we'll enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see here the information with the temperature of our device battery, with the health of our device battery. In my case, that's good. Also, we can find here more info like the device battery level, temperature, capacity, voltage, Android version, the model of our device, and more other information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.